New View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried cauliflower with sausage. The main ingredient we need a small cauliflower and a full sausage and 5 small carrots. If you're bigger, just one is enough. And 1 onion, 2 garlic, and some peppers. Green pepper, red pepper is okay, just a handful, and parsley. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Its Chinese name called 香肠炒花菜. This is chopped ginger. We need 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Alright, I've chopped them frozen in the freezer. So I get it out. We use it. Now we cut the onion. This is small. You just cut this properly, so it will be like this. Okay, we cut the garlic. We cut this part off. Slice it. Be like this. We cut the parsley. Just if you don't have parsley, you can use a cilantro. So we just chop it very small. Okay, we cut the carrot. Cut this off. These carrots we cut it very thin. Just cut it 2 pieces. Okay, then we cut it a little like this. So it will be like this. Cut it thin. The carrot we get. Okay, we cut the cauliflower. We just cut this part off. And then we use the hand to tore down these 2 pieces and small pieces. Too big, just this big, I think. This one we just cut 2 pieces. So this cauliflower we get, we just use the water to rinse it a few times to wash it, that's all. Okay, we cut the pepper. We just peel this part off. Even this on it is still okay. We just get this off. Don't worry. Yeah, this is small pepper. We just keep the seeds. The big one get the seeds out. The small one just keep the seeds there. So we just get those part off. Then we cut it. Cut like this. Like this. This pepper we also cut very thin like this. Okay, this sausage we cut it. Okay, we cut it the sausage like this. Just cut like we try cut like this shape, and the sausage you can use spicy or non-spicy. Don't try to cut it not too thin, because when it's fried, don't want to fall apart. Not too thin or too thick. You can cut. On the stove, medium fire, the pot. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And raise the pot. And when the oil is hot, we add ginger, onion, and garlic into it. And slowly fry until the ginger, garlic, and onions release a good smell. When the garlic, ginger, onion release good smell, we add the sausage into it. And slowly fry until the most fat in the sausage come out to the oil. Slowly fry. Okay, when the fat in the sausage nearly mostly come out, and you can smell, and all the seasonings also smell so good, then we add the cauliflower into it, to cooking, to keep it fried. Okay, now we add the carrots and the pepper into it. And fry it. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, use some spices or just a pinch of black pepper into it. We just add a pinch of Chinese 13 spices. Don't add too much. Then fry it. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. Now we add a 1/4 cup of cold tap water to it. Put the lid on and cook it until the carrots and the cauliflower become soft. Let me check it. Whereas the veggies and meat and sausage cooking, and don't forget to stir fry so all the veggie and also be cooked. Okay, we cover it. Let it keep cooking. Okay, we try the carrots to see if it's cooked or not. The carrots cooked. The flavor is so good. We try the cauliflower. It's good. The cauliflower also cooked. So this dish is done. Okay, this dish is done. We turn off the stove and add the chopped parsley into it and mix it. Okay, this dish is done. So fried cauliflower with sausage, this dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.